With today's idioms and their origins, we are looking at the phrase, the apple of discord. If you have an apple of discord, it deals with unhappiness. It causes trouble and dissatisfaction, and it can even cause jealousy and rivalry. Now, this stems all the way back to Greek mythology, maybe perhaps even back to Homer's Iliad and the Odyssey. We see in there the apple of discord that was a golden apple that was inscribed for the fairest. Now, this apple was thrown by Eris, the goddess of discord, and it was thrown into a banquet that she wasn't invited to. So, of course, three goddesses find the apple and they all lay claim to it. Now, these goddesses would have been Hera, Athena, and Aphrodite. So they bring in a human, Paris, who awards it to Aphrodite, which then sets off a chain of events, which is going to lead to the Trojan War. Now, as you may be aware, there are other stories that also deal with apples of discord. Go ahead and put in the comments down below if you have any questions about those particular stories.